my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today I'm cooking goat pilau. So what I do first, I usually cook my meat in the steam pot. Some people call it pressure cooker, as you can see, for it to become soft. So let me show you how it is. So guys, this is our meat after boiling it in the steam pot. Some people call it pressure cooker. Sorry. It's hot. So I usually boil it here so that it can become soft. The meat can become soft. So that is our goat meat. Guys, here we have our ingredients. We have our onions, that is minced garlic and ginger. We have our pilau mix, and then we have our pilau masala. The reason why I use pilau mix and pilau masala, because I know some people use only pilau masala and some people only use this. They usually grind it. I really love to listen the taste of the pilau. That's why I usually use this. I really love the deep taste of pilau. So that's the way I like to cook my pilau, but you can cook it however you like it. So this is how I cook my pilau. So we have our ingredients here, and then we have our rice here. So let's start cooking. Please guys, continue liking, subscribing and share, and tell me what you think about my videos. Tell me which recipes you'd like me to share with you. We have our oil. I'm using olive oil. Then I'll add my onions. So now let's cook our onions. My oil had not become hot enough, so let us cook our onions. As you can see, our onions are getting ready. Added my minced garlic and ginger. So my garlic and my minced garlic, ginger, and my onions are getting ready. So for me they are ready. Then I would add all my spices. Then I will cover them a bit to get ready. So we cooked goat pilau. Our goat pilau is ready.